Apple's MacBook Air lineup has long been known for its balance of portability and power, and now the M4 variant is set to redefine what an ultra-thin laptop can do. Leaks and early benchmark scores suggest that the MacBook Air M4 is not just an incremental update. It's a performance beast wrapped in an ultra-sleek design. If you're on the fence about upgrading, this might be the right time. Let's dive into everything we know so far. MacBook Air M4, benchmark leaks and performance gains. The MacBook Air M4 is showing up in leaks with some jaw-dropping performance numbers. According to Geekbench 6 reports, here's what we're looking at. Single-core performance, 3,684 points. Multi-core performance, 15,280 points. Compared to the M3 MacBook Air, this means a 27% boost in single-core tasks and an impressive 30% jump in multi-core workloads. Everyday users will notice snappier performance across the board, from web browsing to professional software. But it doesn't stop there. Apple has packed serious graphical power into this machine as well. GPU performance, a leap forward. Graphics performance is another highlight. The MacBook Air M4's Geekbench Metal score of 54,800 is nearly on par with Apple's iPad Pro M4 and even the MacBook Pro M4. This suggests Apple is delivering pro-level GPU power in the Air lineup, making it a solid choice for video editing, motion graphics, and light 3D rendering. If you're a content creator, this could be the most powerful fanless laptop you've ever used. A brief look at MacBook Air's evolution. Apple has been pushing the boundaries of its MacBook Air series for years. Here's a quick look at its recent history. 2022, the MacBook Air M2 was unveiled with a fresh design, MagSafe charging, and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. 2023, a larger 15.6-inch MacBook Air joined the lineup, bringing extra screen real estate and better battery life. 2024, March, the M3 MacBook Air was released, keeping the same design but introducing Apple's M3 chip. 2024, end of year, Apple increased base RAM to 16 GB across all Air models, preparing for the M4 transition. Now, with the MacBook Air M4, Apple is taking performance even further without changing the design philosophy. Expected specs and upgrades, what's coming? While Apple hasn't officially confirmed everything, leaks give us a solid idea of what to expect. MacBook Air M4, 13.6-inch and 15.6-inch models. CPU, 13.6-inch model, 8-core or 9-core CPU with a mix of performance and efficiency cores. 15.6-inch model, 10-core CPU standard. GPU, 8-core or 10-core options, depends on configuration. Memory, base, 16 GB, upgradable to 24 GB or 32 GB. Camera upgrade. Apple might introduce a 12MP FaceTime HD camera for improved video calls. External display support. Supports 2 external monitors with the lid closed, enhancing productivity setups. Design and features, sleek and modern. Apple has officially left the wedge-shaped design in the past. The M4 MacBook Air continues the flat-edged, ultra-thin chassis, first introduced with the M2 model. Here's what else to expect. Color options, midnight, starlight, silver, and space gray. Fanless design, silent operation, making it one of the quietest high-performance laptops. MagSafe charging, convenient magnetic charging with fast power delivery. Liquid Retina display, true tone support, excellent color accuracy, and ultra-thin bezels. Ports, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4, ports for data transfer, charging, and external display support. Apple's choice to maintain the existing chassis suggests the focus is entirely on internal improvements. MacBook Air M4, release date and pricing. Apple is expected to announce the MacBook Air M4 between March and early April 2025. Production has already started, which means an official announcement could be imminent. Pricing expected: 13.6-inch MacBook Air M4, $1,099. 15.6-inch MacBook Air M4, $1,299. The M3 MacBook Air models will likely stay in Apple's lineup at a reduced price, offering more choices at different budget levels. Final thoughts: is the MacBook Air M4 worth it? The MacBook Air M4 is shaping up to be one of the fastest and most efficient ultra-portable laptops yet. With huge performance gains, improved graphics capabilities, and better external display support, it could be the best MacBook Air ever. Will you be upgrading to the MacBook Air M4, or are you waiting for something else? Let me know in the comments.